The 2020 Delhi riot case accused Sarjeel Imam, who is also a former student activist, has told Delhi court that he had exited the protest against the CAA well before the communal violence that broke out in Northeast Delhi in February 2020. The student forms part of this defense in the larger conspiracy case linked to the riots. Now, according to submissions made on his behalf, Sarjeel Imam's active role in the anti-CAA movement ended in early January 2020. His lawyer has told the court that differences had emerged between protest circles, with some organizers expressing concern that Imam's public speeches could alter the character of the movement. As a result, he was asked to disengage, a result he is said to have accepted. Now, the defense claims that Imam stopped participating in protest activities by January 2020. The argument places significant emphasis on the timing by asserting that Imam had stepped away weeks before the violence occurred. The defense seeks to counter allegation that he was part of a sustained plan leading to the riots. The prosecuting agencies have alleged that the protests were used as a platform to escalate tensions and mobilize people ahead of the violence. Sarjeel Imam's lawyers argue that there is no evidence linking him to any planning or coordination once he withdrew from the movement. Now, in this whole case, Imam's role during the early phase of the protest has been scrutinized in relation to the speeches he delivered and material he allegedly helped prepare. The defense has maintained that these actions fall within the scope of lawful protest and political expression. It has also argued that even strong criticism of government policy cannot automatically be treated as criminal activity under stringent laws such as the UAPA Act that has been in fact lodged against them. Another key element of the defense involves distancing Imam from other accused persons, particularly Umar Khalid. Sarjeel Imam has denied that Umar Khalid was his mentor. Investigators have alleged that protest leaders worked in coordination, but Imam's counsel has denied any organizational link or chain of the command. The court was told that Imam was not part of certain messaging groups, that was the Delhi protest support group cited by the prosecution, and that this is there's no material evidence showing direct coordination between him and Umar Khalid. The court proceedings have taken place against the backdrop of a recent Supreme Court order denying bail to Sarjeel Imam and Umar Khalid in the conspiracy case. While granting bail to several other accused, the Supreme Court has said that the allegation against Sarjeel Imam and Umar Khalid were of a different nature. The decision, however, does not determine guilt and leaves the factual assessment to the trial court. Now, the case is also part of a broader prosecution related to the February 2020 Delhi riots, which resulted in over 50 deaths, 700 injuries, widespread damage to public property as well. Multiple accused remains on trial, with courts examining individual roles, timelines, and evidence to determine responsibility. The hearings continue as both sides present their argument in one of the most closely watched legal cases arising from the Delhi violence. Also, the Supreme Court has already said that all of the accused are liable for each other's activity that was in fact done during the time of the riots, and it is also being established by the Delhi police here that Umar Khalid and Sarjeel Imam were the forces that had in fact incited the violence that happened on February 2020.